Hello, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from AVM Mount Abu. Students, today we will discuss the first chapter in your 11th class in chemistry subject, and that is some basic concepts of chemistry. Now, first thing, what is chemistry? As you all know, that chemistry is a branch of science, and we can define the chemistry as chemistry deals with the composition, structure and properties of matter. You know about the matter, anything that surrounds us and has mass and occupy space or has volume is called matter. Now, we know that matter is composed of some small particles, and these small particles are atoms and molecules. So we can say that atom and molecules are basic constituents of matter. So the chemistry can be defined as the science of atoms and molecules. Mainly we are dealing with the study of atoms and molecules in chemistry subject. For example, if we have water, so water has water molecules, H2 molecules, and if we see the single molecule of water, so it has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. So finally the matter has small atoms. Now, next point, we have atom. So you know that atom is smallest part of the matter. According to Joel Dalton, as he has defined the atom, it is smallest particle of matter which cannot be further divided. Atom word means uncuttable, that is not further divided. But now we know that atom is also having some subatomic particles like electron, proton and neutron. Now, next point, molecule. You know, molecule is a group of atoms. When atom combine, they form molecule. Now, I have shown some symbols of different elements. There are 20 elements I have just shown here. First hydrogen, then helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Now you can see that when we represent any element by a symbol, so there are two things, subscript and superscript. In subscript, I have shown there Z, it is atomic number. It is equal to the number of proton or electron. Now, second, superscript A, that shows the mass number or atomic mass of a particular atom, that is equal to the number of proton and number of neutron. So if we see, suppose we take the example of carbon, so I have written 6C12. So it shows that there are 6 electron or 6 proton in a single carbon atom, and also the number of neutron is also what? It is also equal to 6. That is 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So at least you should learn these 20 elements now, their atomic number and their atomic mass. So in next point I will discuss the molecular mass. So if we know the atomic mass of different elements, so we can calculate the molecular mass of different molecules also. Now next point, that how can we define atomic mass. Now the mass of a particular atom mainly depends on number of proton and number of neutron. It means the mass of a particular atom is equal to the mass of proton present in that atom and mass of the neutrons present in that atom. So suppose we take the carbon. So if we say that the mass of one carbon atom is 12 mu, it shows that 6 proton and 6 neutrons are present in that single carbon atom, and the mass of single carbon atom is equal to the mass of 6 proton plus mass of 6 neutron. The unit of the atomic mass is AMU, that is atomic mass unit, and it is equal to the 1/12 part of 6C12, or 1.66056 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. That is almost equal to the mass of single proton. Now, so we can define the AMU as a mass exactly equal to the 1/12 the mass of one carbon atom. It is also represented as unified mass, AMU, or unified mass. It is a unit of the atomic mass. Now next thing, molecular mass. It is sum of atomic masses of the elements present in a molecule. So suppose we want to calculate the molecular mass of methane molecule CH4. So it contains 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. So for methane, if you want to calculate molecular mass, we have to add the mass of 1 carbon atom and mass of 4 hydrogen atom. So we can calculate like we have 1 carbon atom, so mass of 1 carbon is 1 into 12, that is 12 mu, and mass of 4 hydrogen is equal to 4 into, if you take the exact mass of hydrogen, that is 1.008 AMU. So it is 1 into 12 plus 4 into 1.008 is equal to 16.043 U, or atomic mass unit. Alternatively, we can take the mass of hydrogen atom is 1 AMU. So we can get what? 16 unified mass or 16 AMU. Now I have different example for you. You can see here we have different molecules. So you can calculate the molecular mass of these molecules as I explained you. I have given you assignment, so just see this video and complete your assignment. We will continue the next topic in next period. Thank you.